Cesar the Magic Sneezer. Tale 1. Cesar's magic sneeze is more powerful than a wizard. With one deep breath and a big ah-choo, he turned into a lizard. His scaly body and beady eyes made him very pleased. He chased his sisters, made them scream, and teased. Tale 2. Cesar's magic sneeze is anything but fake. At his sister's party, he sneezed into a cake. His candles and icing all looked very nice, but he sneezed back to a boy before someone took a slice. Tale 3. While strolling through a garden, Cesar sneezed into a seed. And he grew into a flower, attracting many bumblebees. He sneezed back to a boy, hoping not to get stung. But those bees chased him anyway and stung him on the buns. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so you and your friends never miss an adventure.